Ninh Binh, famed for its beautiful landscapes and incredible scenery, Ninh Binh is one of the top destinations you should add to your list if you love getting out into the nature. From ancient temples to hidden caves and verdant rice paddies, this province in northern Vietnam has a bit of everything. From Khe Dau Island, after visiting Ha Long Bay along with two of my couchsurfing friends, we decided to reach Ninh Binh by hiring two bikes, which proved to be a brilliant decision. We drove for about 4 hours, did not go to Hanoi but straight away to Ninh Binh. We rested overnight at a remote village and went for exploring the Mua Caves the next morning. The Hang Mua Cave is probably the most impressive. After you climb around 500 steep steps to reach it, you are rewarded with some amazing views of Tam coc, rice fields, forest and mountains. On the way up, you are likely to meet many goats who make Ninh Binh their home. So hold your camera ready to catch their stunts as they jump from cliff to cliff and for capturing some really nice sunsets. It is located in Khe Dau Ha village, a Ninh Binh province. Together with Trang An, an ecological tourism complex, the terrain of Mua Cave looks majestic, with rolling mountains surrounding a whole large delta like a rampart is protecting the country inside. The 2 points to see are the Dragon Peak for the sunset and the Goddess of Mercy Shrine, which is situated on another mountain, which you can see very closely. Whether in the middle of a bunch of rice fields, tucked away on a mountainside, or perched on top of a hill, Ninh Binh is full of temples to discover. Mua Cave closes at 5 p.m. and the sun gets down at 6:30, but you can still enjoy the sky as it begins to turn orange and the sun sets behind the mountaintop. The entrance ticket for the Mua Cave is 100,000 Vietnamese dong per person, which is about $4 approximately US. And I would like to give the credit to Tom for getting his drone along, so we were able to capture some really marvelous footage. Until the next time, Ninh Binh, I shall come back soon. And if you guys like the content and the videos that I make, please do hit that like button and please subscribe so you can be abreast with the next stuff coming up. Please subscribe. Thank you.